Why do some students struggle to succeed while others excel at the top of their passions and fields? Is it as a result of motivation, diligence, or even intelligence? While our society suggests that better students are inherently more talented or hardworking, the reality is that those who succeed are those granted the most support and opportunities. At Xceleration, we recognize this and seek to resolve this uneven distribution of educational resources.
For middle and high school students, especially those who lack access to resources, Xceleration is the site that rapidly connects them with their desired opportunities and mentors.
Our customers can sign up for free accounts to view some of our database, or pay a one-time subscription for the complete package. In the competitions and summer programs tab, students can sort by age or category to find the opportunities that fit them. Users can also select mentors in the Student Mentor Meetup page, view their profiles, and book a 30 minutes meeting with them to discuss a general thing or even a specific topic.
What makes this web app special? We've been updating and iterating our website over 20 times to provide our users with the best experience on mobile and desktop applications. Additionally, our curated up-to-date list of over 250 opportunities suited to fit user preferences allows users to find competitions and summer programs that best fit their interests and needs. This is corroborated by our feedback from over 40 users, many of whom have had exceedingly positive feedback.
At the time of recording this video, we have made more than $230 in sales, and we are planning to get more in the next few hours.
In the next year, we plan on utilizing personal connections, email, and social media to expand our digital footprint and reach. Currently, we're in the initial stages of a marketing campaign, specifically a raffle with 5 winners for the prize of a free mentoring meeting with Rotimi, an Alabama team that got into 15 top US colleges and received a total of $2 million in scholarships. And the best part, it's still open for submissions. Lastly, we've also contacted nonprofit organizations like Westbridge as potential future partners.
Our main profits are from mentor meetings and from premium subscriptions, while our main costs are from marketing and from paying mentors. We predict our platform's retention to be around 80% and that customers will pay more for mentor meetings as we gain better mentors. Our break-even point will be in our second year of operation.
For the best summer programs
And personalized support,
we will provide all students with a chance to flourish.
We
are
are
Xceleration.